Greetings, families. Today, I am going to walk you through the steps on how you can enroll your child for kindergarten here at PS 143Q. Kindergarten registration is now open and it can be done all online, virtually, at home, anytime. Here at PS 143Q, your child is our number one priority and our number one investment. Let's get started. Simply type in myschools.nyc into your search bar. Once there, you will be prompted to the web page for your My Schools account. If you already created an account, simply select Log in here or select Get Started. Parents or guardians, here you will create your account. First name, last name, email address, and you will create a password. Click Next to continue. After you create your account, the email address you provided My Schools will send you a follow-up email. You must go to your email and open the new email from your My Schools account. Once you open up your new email, you will be redirected to log in to My Schools. Then you will be prompted to add your child or student. The page will read, "Let's add a new student to your account." Your responses will be kept private. Once you are on this web page, you will enter your student's information, age, and school information, as well as the address. Select Submit. Once this has been submitted, you will then be provided and prompted to continue with enrollment. You want to select PS 143Q for your child. Please note, if you have any questions during this time, you can call us at 718-429-5700. We look forward to meeting you, and we cannot wait for fall 2021. Have a great day.